The Devin castle stands just inside Slovak territory on the frontier between Slovakia and Austria. The border runs from west to east along the Morava River and subsequently the Danube. Owing to its strategic position at the confluence of the Danube and Morava rivers, the cliff was an ideal place for a fort. Its owner could control the important trade route along the Danube, as well as one branch of the Amber Road. That's why the site has been settled since the Neolithic and fortified since the Bronze and Iron Age. Later, both the Celts and the Romans built strong fortresses there. Popular explanation of its name is a derivation from the Old Slavic word deva, which means a girl. In this case, Devingrad means castle of the girl. Equally popular is the beauty of the Slovak girls, but it's always better to see once than to hear 1,000 times.